Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSE professional. Right now I am going to discuss some interview questions about different terms. The first term is self-reactive and self-heating substances. Basically, they are thermally by means of heat, unstable, liquid or maybe solid. Basically, they are substances liable or likely to undergo a strongly exothermic decomposition, mean corrosion, even without participation of oxygen or air. They can react with themselves under suitable conditions. Usually, exposure to heat causes runaway or self-start self-reaction that can result in explosion. Well, self-heating substances usually absorb oxygen from the air and undergo slow oxidation. Well, the heat produced from this slow oxidation can cause decomposition and fire or explosion. The next term is compressed gases. Compressed gas is a substance that is a gas at normal pressure and at room temperature and is contained or stored under pressure, resulting it becomes a liquid. The next term is irritation, means inflammation or other discomfort in a body part caused by reaction to any irritant substances. Basically, it is a state of inflammation or painful reaction to allergy or cell lining damage. A stimulus or agent with which induces the state of irritation is irritant. Well, irritant is a substance that cause uh, irritation. Means substance which on immediate or prolonged or repeated contact with normal living tissue will induce or bring a local inflammatory reaction. Basically, substance which is not corrosive but causes a temporary reversible inflammation of living tissues such as eyes, skins, or respiratory organs by a chemical reaction or action at the point of contact. The effect of an irritant may be acute due to single level exposure or chronic due to repeated low level exposure. Irritants are typically chemical agents, means for example phenol and capsicum, but mechanical, thermal means heat, and radioactive stimuli substance, for example ultraviolet light or ionizing radiation, can also be irritants. Sensitizers are a chemical that cause a substantial, means large proportion number of exposed people or animal to develop an allergic reaction in normal tissues after repeated exposure to chemical. The condition of being sensitized to a chemical is called chemical hypersensitivity. Sensitizer or sensitizers may refer to. Chemical sensitizer means a chemical that causes allergic reaction in normal tissue after exposure, or explosive sensitizer means a chemical that promotes the rate of propagation of an explosive material. And the next term is incompatible, means chemical gives an undesired chemical reaction when mixed. This usually refers to substance that will react to cause an imminent, imminent threat to health and safety through an explosion, fire, or formation of toxic materials. The term can also refer to as an unwanted change in physical or mechanical properties of materials. The next term is asphyxia or asphyxiation or suffocation, means it is a condition arising when the body is deprived, means a rundown of oxygen, causing unconsciousness or death. The next term is asphyxiant. Asphyxiant means gas is a non-toxic or minimally toxic gas which reduces or displaces the normal oxygen concentration in breathing air. Breathing of oxygen deployed a low amount of oxygen air can lead to death by asphyxiation or suffocation. They are generally divided into two categories: simple and chemical. Simple asphyxiants only displace oxygen from ambient air and have no other health effect. Chemical asphyxiants react with human body to interrupt either the delivery or utilization of oxygen. An agent that prevents the delivery of oxygen from the bloodstream to cells or disables the biochemistry of the cellular respiration even in presence of adequate oxygen level in blood. Chemical asphyxiants are agents include agents such as carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, or hydrogen sulfide. The next term is hypoxia, yeah, hypoxemia, hypoxemia or hypoxemia. Uh, hypoxemia. So it is an abnormally low level of oxygen in the blood, hypoxemia. The next term is organic. In the uh, context of chemistry and materials, organic refers to as material based on carbon, additional elements that are commonly found in organic materials, and hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Organic food, natural food or organic produce is fruit or vegetable product. This is basically product, organic product is a fruit or vegetable that have been raised without the use of pesticides, insect killers, or herbicides, or kills unwanted vegetable herbs. Materials those are not organic are usually referred to as inorganic. Oxidizer or oxidants, it is a type of chemical which a fuel requires to burn. Most type of burning on earth use oxygen. It is substance that has ability to oxidize other substance, cause them to lose electrons. Common oxidizing agents are oxygen, hydrogen peroxide, and halogens. Simply, oxidizer is a substance which can be a replacement of oxygen in fire. Fire explosion can be occur with when there is no oxygen, but other strong oxidizers is present like fluorine and chlorine. Radioactive is a substance which continually produced emits radiation. Radioactive substance whose nucleus of each atom is unstable and gives out nuclear radiation in form of alpha particle, beta particles, or gamma rays. This is it. Hope you have understand the conceptual detail with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.